I'm Alan Trushkov. Join us today and enter our world of a cobbler to see the craftsmanship it takes to rebuild and restore footwear and other leather goods, as well as recommendations from our industry. Hey everyone, it's Alan over at Cobblers Plus. I got a pair of beautiful suede Magnannis here. These things are awesome looking. I really like them. What do you guys think? I'll post a few pictures of these also, but beforehand I just wanted to give you guys a quick glance at something that may be a little bit painful for some of you to see. I gotta sand out this bottom here, brand new and everything. This is a personal preference. Some people like to get these protective soles. These ones are by Vibram. They're just a thin 2mm rubber piece, if I get the right one, that goes on like that right there. And it gives a little bit of layer protection because it is rubber, and some better traction, and it's more cost efficient to replace instead of having to replace the leather. Now, me personally, I still prefer leather. It just looks nicer and everything, but maybe if you have a couple of pairs of those shoes that you'd much rather wear for winter time, this may be a great option for you. Something a little low profile where it still has a little bit of visibility of the leather on the side view, but maybe you want to replace the entire thing with something along the lines of a day-night or a Vibram sole of some sort too. But I thought I'd show you guys that real quick and torture you guys just for a second for those of you who are highly against the protective soles. I'm going to sand these just for a few seconds. I know it's painful for a few of you guys out there that are avid lovers of pure leather soles. Sorry, had to torture you. It's almost Halloween. It's that time of year for a little bit of torture and chaos, right? But anyways, especially you guys, Magnanni enthusiasts, if you're not on that group, definitely check them out on Facebook, Magnanni enthusiasts. It's in the Facebook group section. They've got some awesome Magnannis on there. They've got Carminas and a few other brands on there as well that are made in Spain mainly. And of course, the most infamous one is this brand right here that everyone loves. Beautiful shoes. So check them out. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. If you're wanting to rant and rave about me sanding this out, that's fine. I'll take the hits. They're not my shoes. They're customers who requested the protective soles, and we're gonna have to do it, and I'll go ahead and take the hits from all you guys that are gonna give me hell for doing this. But we'll see you guys later.